Hi class, today is lesson 11-5. It's about adding integers. Our purpose is rather simple. It's to add integers. No vocabulary for today. Let's take a look at the first example, but before we do, let's take a look at how we add integers on the number line. Here's a couple of keys. First one, you move right on a number line when adding positive integers. We'll demonstrate that here shortly. And we move to the left on a number line to add negative integers. Let me demonstrate. Here we have the expression 6 plus negative 5. We're going to go ahead and start on 6. And in order to add a negative, we're going to go in the left direction. We're going to go in that direction. So we're going to add a negative 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We've landed on 1. 6 plus a negative 5 is equivalent to 1. Next, we've got a negative 7 plus 4, a negative number plus a positive number. We'll start here at negative 7. This time we're going to be going to the right in a positive direction toward the positive numbers because we have a positive 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Our answer is negative 3. Negative 7 plus 4 is negative 3. Another way to look at it, at these problems, is by those zero pairs. Go ahead and drag this over. Now, when we have 6 up here, and we have a negative 5 in this row, we have 6 positive and 5 negative chips. We go ahead and we look at the zero pairs and remove them. We match these, and these. That leaves us with one chip. What kind of chip is it? It's a positive. In other words, it's a 1 that ends up being the sum of 6 plus negative 5. In the same vein, we can take negative 7 and 4, and here we've got negative 7 on top, 4 on the bottom, the red indicating the negative integers, and we pair them off too, zero pairing. 1, 2, 3, 4, and we're left with 3 negative chips. Let's go to example 2. In this case, we're asked to evaluate x plus 3 for x equal negative 9. First thing I do is I go ahead and jot down the problem one more time. X plus 3. Then I go ahead and substitute the negative 9 for the x. Negative 9 plus 3. Now I can either do the number line or the zero pairing. I'm going to choose to do the zero pairing for this one. I've got negative 9 negative chips. In this case, I'm going to draw some negative signs or minus signs. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. And then I'm going to draw 3 positive signs. 1, 2, 3. The 3 positive representing the 3 here, the negative signs representing the negative 9. Now I'm just going to take the zero pairs and take them out of the expression, so to speak. I'm pairing those up, Pairing those up. What am I left with? Well, I'm left with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 negative minus signs, which means my answer is going to be negative 6. Negative 9 plus 3 is a negative 6. Now, I can also prove that on a number line, and if you want to, you can go ahead and do that. But I'm going to leave it that way for now. Next, I want you to complete this problem, either using the number line method or the zero pair method. Here we have x plus negative 4, which you need to go ahead and write down, where x is equal to 2. In this case,
attention, there's a classified meeting in the library at 8:15. A classified meeting in the library at 8:15. Thank you.
All right. Interrupted by the speaker. The reality of the day. So here we have x plus negative 4, and we're going to go ahead and substitute 2 for that. So on the next line, I want you to go ahead and write the expression where 2 is a part of that expression, and then solve it. Solve it either using the number line method or the zero pair method. All right. We'll see you in class.